Good morning all of you. My name is Harshit Mathuria and today I am going to discuss about a topic of CNC machine and CNC programming. This topic is guided by Dr. Kailash Chaudhary sir, who is the assistant professor of MBM Engineering College, and submitted by Harshit Mathuria. This is our first example of CNC lathe machine. This diagram shows the part that is made by the programming of CNC machine. The first line of the program is O0001 that shows the program name, N10 Z50 S2500, N10 is the sequence number and block number, G50 is the maximum spindle speed, S200 2500 that is the spindle speed value, N15 is again sequence number, T0400 is the tool name, 04 is the tool number, and 00 is the offset number, N20 again is the sequence number, G96 is constant surface speed, that value is 512, M03 is the spindle speed on in clockwise direction, N25 again sequence number, Z00 is the rapid traverse. Rapid traverse means the tool comes the position of X and Z instantaneously. G54 is the work coordinate system. That coordinate system, the value of X is 2.35, Z is 0.1. T0404 again tool number. Tool 04 is the tool number, 04 is the offset number that contains the cutting tool's value. M08 is the coolant on. N30 is again sequence number, Z01 is the linear traverse, Z00 is the position of Z axis and feed rate is 0.0215. N35 is again sequence number X and the position of X is the minus 0.01. N40 is again sequence number, Z.1 is the position of Z is 0.1, that comes again to get our position by after the cutting the material. N45 is again sequence number, G00 is the rapid traverse, X the position of X axis is 0.875. The further code is the N50 is the sequence number, Z01 is linear interpolation. Linear interpolation is a G code that shows the our cutting tool comes from the past position to the present position a linear directionally, not comes fastly, it comes slowly. Z is the position of Z is minus 0.700 that cut the material. N55 is again sequence number and X 1.75 is the position of X axis. The cutting tool gets the position and cut the material. N60 is again sequence number, position of Z is minus 1.455. N65 is the again sequence number and the position of X is the 2.25. N70 is again sequence number, G00 is the rapid traverse and the cutting tool gets the position X equals to 2.35 and Z equals to 0.1. M09 is the coolant off. N75 is the sequence number and T0400 is again tool number. N80 is the sequence number, G28 is the home position, or U and W shows the represent the X and Z axis, that is 0, 0. N85 is the sequence number, M30 is the end of the program. The next program is example 2. Example 2, in which diagram the deadest line shows the stock bar that is given initially in the CNC machine. After that, the solid line shows the part that is needed for our requirement. So the dimension is given in the diagram, and our first line of the program is O0003, that is the program name. N10 is the block number, G50 is the maximum spindle speed, S2500 is spindle speed value, N15 is sequence number, T0200 is the tool number, N20 is sequence number, G96 is constant surface speed. So this value is 513. M03 is the spindle on in clockwise direction. N30 is again sequence number. G00 is the rapid traverse. G54 is the work coordinate system. The value of x is the 1.85, z equals to 0.1. The tool comes in this position. After that we cut the material. T0202 is the tool number. M08 is the coolant on. N40 is sequence number. G94 is the feed rate in per minute. X is the value of x is the minus 0.03, and z position of z is the minus 0.0623. The feed rate is 0.022. This means our cut the 0.03 minus 0.03 means this is equal to 0. Equal to 0 means the cutting tool cut the material that is outer of the 0 position by the z-axis value 0.0623. N50 is the again sequence number. Z, the position of z is the 0.1247. N60 is the sequence number. The position of z is the minus 0.187. The G94 that shows the cutting cycle and feed per minute. Cutting cycle, in cutting cycle the our origin position is that the arrow line. This arrow line, this line 0 position, and depth of z axis shows the depth is the 0.1247. After that 0.187 in minus direction. And 65 is the sequence number. T0200 is the cutting tool number. M09 is the coolant off. N670 is sequence number. G28 is the home position. N80 sequence number. M30 is the end of the block. In which code our first original position is the that is shown by the arrow, and after that for the cutting cycle G94 our original position is 00. So z-axis position, so z position of z-axis is the always in negative. That means first cut is that position, second cut that position, and third cut is 0.187. So cutting the material is very easily by this program. After that our exercise 3, in which the dash line shows the stock bar and solid line shows that part our needed for requirement. The first line is O0004, that shows the program name. N10 again sequence number. G50 is maximum spindle speed at value 2500. N15 is block number. T0200 is tool number. N20 is sequence number. G90 is constant surface speed, that's value 513. M03 is spindle on in clockwise direction. N30 is sequence number. G00 is the rapid traverse. G54 is work coordinate system, that value x equals to 1.85, z 0.1. The tool that come that position. T0202 is the tool number. M08 is the coolant on. N40 is again sequence number. G90 is for outer diameter cutting turning cycle. Outer diameter turning cycle, x position of x and z is the 1.625 and minus 1.12. Feed rate is 0.022. N50 is sequence number. The position of x is the 1.5. N60 is again sequence number. Position of x is the 1.375, in which always the z position of z comes from 0 to minus 1.12. That is a cycle that covers just like that shown in the arrow. First cut, again takes original position, then again cut that, again gets our position, and again cut the material and gets our initial position. And the N65 is a tool number 0200, and N70 is a sequence number. G28 is the home position, and M09 is the coolant of. N80 sequence number. M30 is end of the program. Again our example is example 4, in which diagram the again status line shows the stock bar and solid line shows the part that is requirement for our purpose. The first line is O0009 is a CNC turning center CNC program name. N10 is again sequence number. G50 is maximum spindle speed, that's value 6000 RPM. N20 is the block number. The sequence number. T0400 is the tool number. N30 is sequence number. G96 is constant surface speed, that's value 3650. M03 is the spindle speed on in clockwise direction. N40 sequence number. G00 is a rapid traverse. G54 is the work coordinate number. G42 that shows tool nose radius compensation in right side. The position of x is a 00 and position of z is a 0.1, in which diagram of the position of x is the 0.0 and z.1 is a further side 0.1. T04 is the tool number. M08 is the coolant on. N50 is the block number. G01 is the linear interpolation, and Z is position is a 00. Z position 00 means that cuts the material in this side and cut the material very easily. F.0265 is the feed rate. N60 is the sequence number. G03 is the circular interpolation in anti-clockwise direction. That shows here anti-clockwise direction. And position of x is the 0.715 and position of z is a 0.35 minus 0.3575. That position shows by the error. First our position is that position, and after that our position is that, and radius of this 0.3575. And 70 is the sequence number. G01 is a linear interpolation, and position of z is the minus 0.655. That shows our cutting tool in this direction. And again sequence number N80. G02 is the circular interpolation, and again this is the clockwise direction. First is the anti-clockwise direction G03, and G02 is the clockwise direction. That shows. So our cutting tool is here, and we want to go there. X 9.965 and Z minus 0.780 by the radius of 0.125. Again after that N90 is a sequence number. G01 is a linear interpolation. X 1.252. That shows our tool goes this position to this position. After that N100 is the sequence number. G03 is the circular interpolation in anti-clockwise direction. That shows this type. And position of x 1.626 and position of z is minus 0.967 by the radius of 0.187. After that our tool goes in the z direction. That is z minus 1.255. Our tool goes from this side to this side. And again sequence number. G02 is the circular interpolation, and the position of x 2.066 and position of Z minus 1.475 by the radius of 0.22. And N130 is again sequence number. G01 is a linear interpolation and goes from this position to this position x 2.35. And again N140 is a sequence number. G03 is a circular interpolation in anti-clockwise direction. Position of x 2.45 and position of z is a minus 1.525. Goes our tool from this position to this position by the radius of 0.05. Again N150 is a sequence number. G01 is a linear interpolation and the value of z is a minus 2.25. Our tool goes from this position to this position and makes our part very easily. N160 is a again sequence number. G00 is a linear is a rapid traverse. G40 shows tool nose radius, tool cancellation. Again x 2.55 is and z.1 is the position of x and z. And 165 sequence number. T0400 is the tool number. M09 is the coolant of. And 170 is sequence number. And G28 is the home position. And M30 is the end of the program. Again our last example is example 5. In this example there is a chamfer. The tool comes from this position to this position. The program name, block number, tool number, sequence number, constant surface speed cancellation, the value of this. M03 is a coolant on, M03 is a spindle on. G42 is a tool nose radius comparison. X40 means our tool comes this. Where is the position to the X40? Then Z5 means Z5. X40 Z5. Again spindle. G50 is the maximum spindle speed. That's value 3500. G96 is constant surface speed. That's value 250. G01 is a linear interpolation. That an x value 60. Z equals to minus 5. X value 60. Z value minus 5. Minus 5 it means that goes to there. That goes to there by the feed rate 0.1. Our tool comes this position to the 40 to the position position this. So first tool comes there 40 to the and goes to x60 and z minus 5. First out of position is the x40 and goes to the x60 and minus 5. So then our tool comes from the position x40 and goes to x60. The tool comes there and N70 is the sequence number. Z15 is our tool goes to this position to this position. After that we require a circular section. This is the linear section. Linear section is a z minus 20. This shows on x60 x70 z minus 20 goes our tool from 520 and value of x is a 56. Value of x is a 56. Again this is the circular interpolation. So G02 is the circular interpolation. X70 is the position of x70 x and position of z is a minus 30. 15 5 and 5. 15 5 10 40 minus 10 30. This position is a 30 by the this position is 30 by the circular interpolation radius of 10. That's shown in the line. And 100 sequence number. G01 is a linear interpolation and x80 is the position and z minus 40 is the this position. The our tool comes from this position to this position. After that x100 the tool comes from this position to this position. Z minus 80 our tool goes from this position to this position. After that value of x is 106 that our tool goes from this position to this position. After that x is 116, z equals to minus 85 and by the radius of r5 that's shown in the line. And 150 is the sequence number, G01 is a linear interpolation, x value is 120. Our tool goes from this position to this position. After and G00 is a rapid traverse. Our tool goes from x or this position x150, z100, G40 is the tool loss radius, radius compensation cancel. G97 is the cancellation of counter surface speed, S900 the value of 900, and M05 is the spindle off, M30 is end of the block. So we in this program there are the 5 programs and understand by me, and after that I present in our PPT this 5 types of program. Thank you.